Salam friendship! So this is the fourth part of our 100 Islands and Baguio family trip. After island hopping, nag-dinner na kami and ito yung mga food na pinaluto namin. We have steamed crab, sinigang na hipon, at yung mga fish na binili namin na pinaihaw na lang. Pala yung view while we are eating. And after eating dinner, we rest a bit. Tapos natulog na kasi maaga pa ang alis namin kinabukasan going to Baguio. Malalaman mong nasa Baguio ka na when you see fog and traffic. Pumunta na kami sa transient house namin para ibaba yung mga gamit. We stayed at Ellie Jobs Baguio Transient House. Here are the pictures ng house na pinagstayan namin. These pictures are from them. And perfect to for big family or group. It's 5K lang for the whole house for 24 hours. Ang ganda rin ng location kasi malapit sa mga tourist destinations, groceries, and may sari-sari store din sa taas. We decided to have our brunch sa Burnham Park para makapag-take na rin ng pictures after. So we ate here sa Ganza. The foods were really great. For our family of 4, we ordered 2 platters of their fried rice, kare-kare, and chop suey. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung chop suey. Ang perfect ng pagkakaluto ng vegetables. So whenever we eat out, nag-order kami per partner and family. Mama lets us order the food that we like as long as mauubos namin. Kundi, lagot ka kay mother. Going back after eating brunch and taking some pictures sa Burnham Park, pumunta na kami sa Botanical Garden kasi we heard na maganda na rin daw doon. So okay naman kasi in bloom yung mga plants and also mas maayos na siya ngayon. Good thing kasi may mga nagpapanit na rin ng mga Ifugao costumes. No need to go sa crowded Mines View Park. Nag-early check-out naman kami kinabukasan kasi we will continue our tour. Una namin pinuntahan yung Mirador since ito yung pinakamalapit sa pinagstayan namin. Ito yung view sa pinakataas, may cafe din dito. If may sasakyan, pwede naman umakyat. No need to trek. Big advantage sa may mga kasamang senior citizens and babies. Dito rin makikita sa Mirador Heritage and Eco Park yung Bamboo Sanctuary and Torii Gate. Sandali lang kami dito kasi nakapunta na kami last year. Halos every year ata kami sa Baguio. So pinasya lang talaga namin sila tita. After naming pumunta sa Mirador, dumiretso na kami sa Igorot Stone Kingdom. So dito lahat kami bumaba kasi hindi namin napuntahan to before kasi close siya. Ito yung time nakaka-open lang niya ulit. So pause nyo na lang yung video to check the entrance fee. Pumunta kami dito, sobrang daming tao kasi weekend, so mahirap makapagpa-picture. Yung ibang corners may mga pila pa, so hindi rin kami umakyat sa pinakataas kasi mainit tsaka nakakapagod. This is what it looks like inside. Malaki pala siya talaga and maraming akyatan. But marami ring tao since it's weekend nga. So I suggest na kung kaya nyo is weekdays na lang kayo pumunta. Last stop namin dito sa Baguio before going home is the strawberry farm. We took some pictures of mama and her sisters. Then dito na rin kami namili ng mga pasalubong. Nakabili rin kami ng mga plants dito kasi mura lang dito yung mga cactus, succulents, and other ornamental plants nila. After that, we head on our way home. Then medyo nagutom kami so dumaan kami sa Pugan Adventure, La Union. They have restaurant there na nag-o-offer ng Filipino dishes at saka masasarap din talaga yung food. They also offer accommodations. Marami ding activities dito and swimming pools. Actually, it's a park and resort. So this is the way going to the restaurant. You need to walk lang talaga or request for their service if you have senior citizen companion. Hindi kasi sila talaga nag-aalaw na mag-drop sa loob. Very easy to find yung restaurant nila kasi meron namang mga arrow signages na makikita going there. So, near the restaurant, makikita nyo yung isa sa mga swimming pools nila. And this swimming pool is very, very big as in, ang laki niya sa personal. So, here are some of the cottages where you can eat and also yung pinakamalaking nipahat na makikita nyo is the restaurant and ito naman is yung mini zoo nila. So, that's it for our 100 Islands and Baguio family tour. If you have some questions, feel free to comment. Shukran for watching!